We popped up on the edge of this field, saw a ton of deer, hit a few owl calls, got some distant answers to the west of us. So we decided to go down to the end of the field where we kind of want to set up in the morning. We're thinking, because they typically every year cross in the center of this field that we're going to be sitting at. And we got down to the end of the field, and we got like what, 4 toms maybe, calling from different sides to the west of us. So I think we're gonna hopefully get into some tomorrow morning. So stay tuned.
It's gonna come out here. Yeah, it's gonna come out. It's gonna test our camo skills here. Oh, there's another hen over here to the left. To the left of us. Bunch of jakes to the left. You're coming due to the left. There are a bunch of them coming. This hen's our ticket. Second to back one. Yeah, shoot him when you have a chance. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, whenever. Alright, watch him. I thought you hit him. He's starting to walk down. I think you hit him. Yeah, that's like 35, 40 yards. Just about to pop over that guy. They're all running. Yeah, you gotta get up there. You gotta get up there. You see him? Don't see him. He could be laying up there because I know you hit him. They got really nervous. Second to back. So they all started walking. Did it feel good or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah, you're good.
I just wasn't sure about how far it was.
Yeah. That's like what we practiced yesterday is right there. We should go back though and check. I watched him walk the edge of the ridge, top of the hill, and then I didn't see him. So, but he really slowed down. Yeah, let's go all the way back to where he went in the woods. Yeah. All the other turkeys ran away.
It's always nice when they go down right away.
Yeah. That was a lot of them. That was a ton.
They come right through the cornfield. When he's not, they weren't going.
Oh man.
He's hurt.
Yeah, he's hurt. He was right here. I should have been more quiet walking up here. Well, you're gonna have to go after him there.
So what? Are you gonna? I should go back and get my stuff.
It's up to you. I don't. If it's something where he's gonna like die eventually, I don't know.
How do I get on the other side?
So see that you can see the whole marsh.
Yeah.
So you can either walk to the left, which I would say you'd probably want to try doing that.
And just take my time.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be more water there, but I think that's where you want to go. It's pretty easy crossing right there. But he literally just, flew. I think you've seen him, right?
Yeah, but
Flew
at the
straight
end I
across.
thought I saw him swoop to the right.
So I can kind of see water straight
sure
across.
He probably won't be moving much.
No, the thing is he can fly though.
He made it all the way across?
Yeah.
Okay.
But he was struggling.
You
And
think
so
he made it
this
across
is
the
the
river?
marsh he flew across.
So he's probably right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, let's walk back here. That's awesome.
Good first morning.
It's a good first morning. Yeah, those are all the turkeys that we had roosted last night.
There was a lot of them.
He had a paintbrush.
I was just waiting as I pulled that trigger. I was like, just go down as soon as I pull that trigger, please. Nope. Doesn't always work the way you want.
No, there's our setup.
Yep.
Right there. Pretty stealthy. Alright, well I gotta get going.
Alright, so Ben had to head to work. Nice morning here in Michigan. But that's how it is sometimes. I was glad he was able to join me this morning. I am back out looking for my Tom. I definitely hit him. He was on this ridge up here when we jumped him. And he flew all the way across the marsh to the north. So, headed that way. I'm going to try to swing around the west side of this marsh. See if I can't find him. It's going to be tough. Because if he's dead over there, it's going to be hard to find. It's going to be a hard one. I was hoping I could just kill him right there when he was close. Never what you want when you pull the trigger and they don't go down right away. Guess that's how it happens sometimes. Alright, I'm gonna head around the side of this marsh and see if I can't locate him. Alright, well, I'm on the north side of the marsh now. The ridge is behind me, way back there. I haven't seen the turkey yet. I don't know if he made it all the way over here or if he's in the marsh still. All I know is he flew north and I'm struggling to find him, so we'll see. Got a muskrat right here. There's wildlife everywhere, but I need a Tom. Alright guys, I'm in the marsh and already found a deadhead, which is a bummer and a sweet thing at the same time. But I've been hitting random spots that just give out, trying to creep along the left edge of this marsh, the west edge. I've come face to face with a coon and a few squirrels so far. I'm hoping this Tom is either I find him dead right on the other side, or I at least find him and he doesn't run away again. Trying not to fall in this mush. This is pretty sweet. It's a nice buck too. Looks like a nice 8-pointer. So I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe I can find some more things. Hopefully a dead Tom. Alright, well, making our way up this hill. I went to the marsh and no sign of him after I jumped him the first time. It's really a bummer. But at this point I did every thing I could to recover him, so I guess it's on to the next one. Heard a ton of gobbles. Once I got to the river, back where I just was, of course, I tried to get back there really quick. No sign of those Toms. We just set up a little makeshift blind here and move locations. Yeah, we got, 4 hours till dark. Hopefully we can get some Toms in tonight. Still opening day here in Michigan. evening, April 22nd. It's 4:30 p.m. Stay with us.
He's down. Let's go. Let's go. Finally.
Dude.
Finally.
Took forever.
Woo! Also, my nose is bleeding.
Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
Oh, no,
it hit me in the face. Dude, nice. Give me some.
Battery.
Yeah.
Okay.
Finally.
This camera is like on super low battery. That camera died. And that is like, that's a fire shot.
That's a dead time.
Right.
That's a dead time.
Yes.
Stink.
Oh, that's your nose.
Huh? Yeah, I'm
That's your-
fine. My nose is just really sensitive. Especially with the temperature change. It goes from like 40 something this morning to 75 this evening. Yeah. Is there still blood on my face?
Yeah.
That's alright. I've had blood. I'll wash this later.
Oh, so you're hurt. It's your first time.
First time.
First time.
Official.
Oh, man. How long do you think that standoff was? It was probably like 25 or 30. Oh, it just kept... I'm pretty sure... So I shot a tom this morning up here in the field, and we jumped it over here on the top of this ridge. We saw it fly over this marsh out here. Well, I had these pants on and went out there, put everything in my backpack, and went up to my waist. And I am... What do you think? Do you think that's him? That'd be awesome if it was, because I hate injuring animals. But, hey, there's a dead tom over there. First day, Michigan opener. Man. So, we had him coming in, and the camera has a tree right here, and we were trying to get him where every time I could see him, Bench couldn't see him, and then every time Bench could see him, I couldn't. And then we were trying to get him closer at the same time. Well, it turns out Andrew is up at the top of the field. He said there's 2 strutters up there, and we were trying to call back and forth to get these strutters over to Andrew or over to us. And I see this tom out here in the marsh, and sure enough, Andrew starts calling again. So he was just stalling. He wouldn't come towards us. So finally, he started coming towards us when Andrew started calling, because he thought maybe, you know, it had moved over there, the hen, but we were still calling to try and get him over here. So I think it was a good combination, and we finally got him. He just kept going left to right, and wasn't really coming any closer. When he finally came closer, he was gonna go right, and I was like, Benj, I can't go right. Like, I'd have to shift, and he's probably gonna see us where he's got us pinpointed by now. And Benj is like, all right, I'm on him. And then I shot. Then I killed him. Anyway, I am like, so this camera right here, I'm gonna take this off. I'm so hot right now. And this thing is like been on change battery ever since this morning. So that's like 0%. And I've been just, so when that tom was right here, whenever I'd see him going to the opening, I'd click it on, and then as soon as he went out of there, I'd click it off. I had to do that so many times. Like, so many times. My second camera died, and then I had my iPhone going on my lap here, pointing at Deion, and it probably fell down, but yeah, here, I'm gonna show what it looks like. This is our little makeshift setup.
This is where we are at.
What is he? 45, 50? Probably 45, 50.
Whoa, is that him way over there?
Yeah.
That's
Probably 50.
a far shot.
That's probably 50. But yesterday we were shooting at 60. I don't know what happened up there this morning, but hey, it's been my favorite day of turkey hunting so far. Obviously, because I got a bird. Ben's got his little feather here. Put that back in your ear.
Sure.
Sure. All right, let's go. Wow.
It's gonna be 52 yards.
That's a blue head.
52.
Let's go. Alright, opening day, Michigan first turkey season here on public land. And we got a tom down. I missed one this morning, and it flew over the marsh right behind us here. And then tonight we have a tom come right out from the marsh. I don't know if it's the same one. I mean, I'm thinking it's the same one. He came out from over here really cautious, stepped it out 52 yards. We got our makeshift blind back there. Hopped in here. We've been here for 2 hours maybe. Andrew came after work, and he's up there right now. We were trying to get some toms, working with our calls. And then I look over and I see this tom coming out of here, and I was like, Ben was like, yo, that's a tom. And I'm like, oh, sweet. He got us pinpointed, but didn't see a hen, wouldn't come any closer. He finally came back over here, just kept going back and forth, and put him down. It's my first tom, actually. First time on the ground, so I've missed a few. Let's just say that.
We can roll the tapes of all those misses.
Yeah. I was pretty bummed all day, and God decided he was just gonna have this tom come right back and give me another chance. So, yeah, I'm really blessed. Thanks to Bench here, he did a lot of calling and took me out. He had work today and still came back and was able to call. Beautiful Michigan morning and Michigan evening here. First day, starting off 2019 with a bang here. Doesn't get any better than that on public land. Beautiful bird too.
Thanks for taking me out, dude.